Hmm. Yes. Uy! Nandiyan pala kayo. Kayo nagsasalita dyan. Hindi nyo pa nga pala ako kilala is ako nga pala si Mark Francis M. Bonifacio. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon is magbo-book review tayo. So, ano yung i-review natin? Ang libro na Ligaw, an Anthology. So, ano ba special dito? So, yung Ligaw an Anthology is a collection of short stories that written by different Filipino authors. So, the stories are in Filipino and belong to the horror and mystery genre. sorry. So, yung ano dito, yung mga stories are included like Family Reunion by The Lady and Black 09. So, meron pa dito The Midnight Train by Aries. Then, The Long Drive by Sunewara. Basta yun. So, yun sa Family Reunion kasi is, ito pala nababasa ko. So, yun sa Family Reunion, pinapakita dito yung story, pinapakita dito yung pamilya na yung family secrets na nakakatakot. Like, yung family secrets can be scary and dangerous. So each story in the book talks about characters who experience strange, dark, and unexpected events. So for me, I like about this book is that every story has a different plot and setting. So for me, it would never be boring. The stories are short but meaningful. So they often leave the readers thinking after finishing them. So the language is simple enough to understand, but the ideas are deep. The book also shows the Filipino culture, places, and beliefs, which makes it more interesting and relatable for students like I am. So the book is educational enough because it helps readers to improve their reading comprehension and their vocabulary in Filipino. So it also teaches a lesson about family, curiosity, and the consequences of secrets and choices. So I would recommend this to everyone that who likes horror and some mystery stuff, you know. So yung sa Family Reunion, di ko siya paano ba describe? Like, parang nasa horror movie ka lang habang binabasa mo siya. Like, bigla na tataas yung balahibo. So, ayun lang. So, kung wala kayong magawa, I would encourage you to read Ligaw an Anthology. So, ayun lang. Salamat sa pakikinig. At sana basahin nyo to para hindi kayo maligaw. Wow!